Good morning, boys and girls. This week we are going to start our units of division. I am so excited to start division. Now, we have to keep in mind that division and multiplication go together. In order to divide, you must know how to multiply, and multiplication will help you with division. So, what exactly is division? Division is an operation that is used to find how many equal groups there are or how many are in each group. So we're going to take a bigger number and we're going to break it apart into smaller groups. So I'm going to do 2 examples with you, and then you're going to go ahead and finish today's assignments. So let's go ahead and let me go back one. All right, let's go ahead and do this problem together. 6 friends picked 48 grapefruits. They want to share them equally. How many grapefruits should each friend get? Okay. When we are dividing, boys and girls, we're taking a big number and making it smaller because we're divvying it into certain groups. So I have, what is my big number here? 48. So I'm going to write 48 because that is my big number. So I'm taking that, that's going to be my very first number. Whoops. My very first number is 48. And I'm going to divide that by 6 friends. So I'm going to take 48 grapefruits and keep passing them out to my 6 friends until all the grapefruits are gone. So I'm going to do 48. I'm going to divide it by 6 friends. And then I want to know how many grapefruits would each friend have when I am done. So I'm just going to keep putting grapefruits in the baskets until they are all done. And then I want to know how many grapefruits are in the basket at the end. Well, this is why we need to know multiplication, boys and girls, because multiplication and division are inverse operations, which means the opposite of one another. So they create a fact family. How can I know or solve 48 divided by 6? Oh, 1 second. Sorry, I had to pause. There was an announcement. Okay, so I have 48 divided by 6. Now, how can I use multiplication to do this? Well, because it is opposites, I know that 6 multiplied by something, not really sure what yet, equals 48. Now, I want you to think, 6 times what equals 48? 6 times 8 equals 48. So therefore, there would be 8 grapefruits split among 6 friends. So 48 divided by 6 equals 8. So the answer would be 8 grapefruits. I took 48 grapefruits, I split it into 6 groups for my friends. Each friend received 8 grapefruits. Now, if you want to check your work, you simply do the opposite. 6 times 8 equals 48. If your 2 smaller numbers equal your bigger number, that is how you know you are correct. So the correct answer here would be 8. Let's do one more together. 3 friends have 12 toys to share equally. How many toys will each friend get? Think of arranging 12 toys into 3 groups. So again, I'm dividing. I'm going to start with my biggest number, which is 12. So I'm going to start with 12. I'm going to take 12 toys and I'm going to split it into 3 groups. So right here, they went ahead and did 12 and they split it into 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. And how many toys were in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, remember, they took the big number. The number that you start out with, the big number, boys and girls, this is called dividend. Everybody say dividend. Divided by, this is how many groups you broke it up into. So this is how many toys you had total, and then you're going to divide it into smaller groups. This right here is called the divisor. So we have dividend, divisor. Okay, we took 12 toys, divided into 3 groups, and how many toys were in each group? 4, and we know the answer to a division problem is called your quotient. Everybody say quotient. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. And how did Mrs. Davis tell us that we could check our work? We could do the opposite, which is multiplying. So we take the two smaller numbers, 3 times 4 equals 12. So therefore we are correct. There are 4 toys in each group. Alright, this is an introduction to division today. We are taking the big number and splitting it into different groups. You are going to log on to Savvis and complete your assignments for today. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a wonderful day, boys and girls.